How to add logo in Wix website. So in order to add a logo to your Wix website, you need to head over and open your Wix Studio editor. So typically the logo is added right here into the header. So as of right now, this is my current logo. If you want to change or add a new one right here, then what you can do is you can just head over and then click onto this particular logo that you have. So if you already have a logo added, you can just click on that logo and click onto this change image. However, what will you do if you do not have a logo yet? Like for example, if this was deleted or it was not right there. So what we can do in that case is we can have the right click onto this plus icon. And then after you have done that, it should be able to open the list of elements you can add. Into this case, we just need to add an image into this part. So for example, let's click onto this image and then just drag and drop it onto this header of ours. So put that right here. And then don't worry because it will actually be larger right now, but you can still resize it altogether earlier. So let me head over and resize it to the proper size for the header. And then just move and drag it wherever you want to put it. And into this part, you can just change the image and add your own logo into this. So that's how you add logo in Wix website. Hope we help.